here. Probably she went to the bathroom. So I'm reading this book. It's called Life of the Ninjas, and it's from the Macria series. It's not real, but it has very cool facts. Oh, I better see what.
5 minutes later.
Oh no, my book! I forgot my page number.
Well, I know what we can do. We can make bookmarks.
But I don't know how to make a bookmark.
Now, I'll be showing you how to make the bookmarks. Well, I already made some bookmarks, and they'll turn out to look like this in the end. Well, what you need to make the bookmarks is
A blank paper, a scissors, some glue, or no glue, and
glue if you want to make ears, and other coloring supplies. So, first you can start by cutting out a square. It doesn't matter if the square isn't perfect. Just cut out a square, or a rectangle or something like that.
Yeah, I like cutting out.
It's important. Once you got your square, you will want to fold it. Amara, are you watching? Like this. So then these two corners, they like match. Then do it like this. Sometimes these parts stick out, but it's not a problem. So you have to cut them like this, just along the line.
Or on the lines.
Yeah, and then you turn it over and you do like this. Okay, next, you can you just gotta get this thing, and you fold it down till here like this, and do the same thing with the other one. There you go. Next, you can start with drawing, pass me the marker, drawing the eyes and stuff. We're going,
1 hour later.
I already know.
how to fold it. You don't know. Well, you have to make another triangle, and then you open it up again, so now you can put your thing on the line, your triangle folding. Done with our bookmarks.
And look, mine's I colored inside because
you can even color it in the inside, like this. 1, 2, 3. See?
Mine is colored fully
Looks like
in the
hair.
inside.
Well, and now if you're ever gonna read and someone calls you, all you can do is simply stick it in here like this.
And you can come to the bird's face when you need to. And
when you come back, you can just find it on the top.
Or
this.
like I like seeing it on the side because I stick it on a different way. Like, can you see? I stick it on like this.
We both stick it on that way. Okay. Well, did you know that paper was invented in China?
Did you know that the first toothbrush was also invented in China?
Yeah. Well, I mean the other kind of toothbrush, not the stick one. Well, thank you very much for watching this video.
You need to be healthy in this time.
Yeah, and stay safe.